So our next group, well, earlier in the night we had Viterbo University, who was just up the road. Our next group comes to us from Phoenix. So please give them a lacrosse welcome to Mariachi Kittens.
Hello, how's everyone doing? Awesome. We are Mariachi Kittens from the Torch Theater in Phoenix. This is Nina.
I'm Nina.
I'm Jose. We're going to improvise for you based off of the suggestion of what is something that
we're married.
We're married,
in real life.
by the way.
I just think that's important.
So we are married.
Yeah.
That happened. What is a suggestion of something that a married pair might talk to a couples counselor about? I heard money and kids.
Yeah.
Money and kids.
Money and kids, thank
Right.
you. Spend our money. I built a boat.
I feel like you didn't think about us when you did that. That's how I feel.
I only think about us. One day there's going to be a giant flood that washes everything away, rids the world of its wickedness, and we're going to have a boat.
Until then, I feel like we're gonna be broke.
Oh, I get what you, okay. I feel like maybe being broke now in the present will save us money in the future.
I feel like in this hypothetical future that you've built, the economy won't matter anyway. But meanwhile, we live in this society now, and a boat is not currency. And when we got married, we had different plans.
That's true. I was going to be an NBA basketball player. But it turns out you can't just show up at the arena to try out. Especially when they're not in season.
We had different plans that we discussed. Or
Yeah.
I discussed what I wanted out of life, and you have a lot of secret dreams, apparently, secret ones. Just that we talked about getting married and having a savings account and maybe having a kid when we thought we were ready. And now I feel like that has been derailed by a boat.
Well, I saved us some money on that boat by using some of the hardwood from the basketball court that I had constructed in the backyard to train to audition for the NBA.
It's different woods. Ship boats need different woods than basketball courts.
Where's your boat? Where's the boat that you built?
We're married.
Uh-huh.
Your boat, me boat.
Well, you know so much about boats. Don't use this kind of wood. Glue won't hold that together. Why is there a hole there? So many thoughts about boats, but have built nary one.
Well, I thought we were building a future together. Apparently, that future is in a boat that will not take to water well. That, like that you have windows in the boat, they're in the wrong place. They're much too low, and there's no glass in them.
I'm saving money for glass. I have secrets.
I
and
feel like you have a hard, you don't communicate what's happening to me. I feel like you are not looking at us as a pair, and I feel left out.
That's fair. Margaret, would you like to help me build another boat?
No.
It's really your dog plays fetch with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, my dog's. You know, I bring him out here. He doesn't do much. He's 23 years old.
Wow.
Yeah, I mostly just have to just kind of move him myself.
Mine's 6.
Yeah, it's practically a puppy in comparison.
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of like middle-aged dog.
6 is middle age for a dog.
It depends on the dog. They're all different.
You multiply 6 by 2, that's 12.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I have a goddamn miracle.
You really do. That's why I made that face.
Yeah. You know, usually there aren't other people at this dog park during this time of day.
Yeah,
So, like-
I noticed there weren't very many people around.
Yeah, so, wow.
What are you feeding your dog?
Like corn chips. And, like, beef jerky. I mean, sometimes,
That dog's just preserved then.
very well preserved.
Yeah.
You know what's great about having a really old dog, though, is like, they're not going to go and run and bite anybody.
It's true.
They're not going to go and run. So you don't look married. Maybe your 6-year-old dog needs like a mentor or something.
Those are 2 very different concepts. So I just want to be clear. I want to clarify. Are you hitting on me or looking for a business partnership between our dogs?
I've like always been a multitasker.
What about me doesn't look married?
I took a guess, and I figured by the look of that Chrysler that you pulled up in, that, I don't know, this looks like a single lady car.
Well, it was my grandmother's. Eventually she was single, so.
Oh, so she was just like out there in the town.
No. No. She was in a home. That's her car.
Oh. Oh. She ran away. She ran away.
Yes, she ran away. She ran away.
Oh, okay. So he's trying to make his business. I gotta help him out a little bit.
She got toothpaste?
I mean, you get old enough, you're gonna need help, no matter who or what you are.
It's true. Just never seen anybody squeeze a dog. And then it actually do something. That I have a lot of data on.
You're right. You're right. Yeah. My last girlfriend, she was like, it's either Bixby, Bixby. It's either Bixby or me. And, you know, I've had Bixby since I was 20 years old.
Oh.
So I was like, no, I'm Bixby.
I was gonna say you look great for 43.
42.
So he's 23.
22. maybe you heard 23 because you were thinking of something else. Like Michael Jordan.
I was probably thinking of Michael Jordan.
I think about him all the time. You know, he owns the Charlotte Hornets.
I didn't know that.
Yep. So if you call into a radio show that has a trivia thing and they're like, who does Michael Jordan own? That's an NBA team in the NBA. You'll call in and you'll be like, Charlotte Hornets, and you'll win something.
Cool. That's cool.
Yeah. I've won like twice on those call-in trivia things to radio stations.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What did you win?
A drone.
I'm afraid to ask what you do with that.
Oh no, I haven't done anything with it. I broke it before I could try. I sat down on it.
Were you trying to ride it?
No, I just set it down. The box was the same color as my recliner, and I set it down, and forgot that I set it down.
Now I'm trying to picture this drone-colored recliner. Is it white with like
It's black.
spiders on it?
No, it's... Wait, why would my recliner have spiders?
Because drones come in boxes, and there's a picture of the drone on the front.
Uh-huh.
And so,
You
so
think
it's
I
probably
have...
a white box with like a drone on the front, and I'm trying to think of a fabric that would be like that, and I'm picturing white with spiders on it.
No, I don't like that. But I want a spider. Have you seen one before?
No, but that doesn't mean it doesn't exist.
Would you want that as a wedding gift? I just feel like Tom and I are just growing apart.
It's so hard. Ugh. These long relationships, I'm just not used to them.
No. It's so much easier in college and in grad school, and you can just like
Hit it and quit it.
and sometimes not quit it.
No, just like vanish.
Keep hitting it. You're hitting it from somewhere I can't see you. Just a turnstile.
Yeah.
People jumping the turnstile.
God, that was the best. I just feel like this relationship with Kevin it's stale. You know? It's like frozen bread stale. I've been trying to eat gluten-free, so all my bread is frozen and it's terrible.
I don't let myself eat bread.
You are stronger. You're a warrior woman.
Wow. I mean, I don't eat like straight up bread. I'll eat cake.
That's the full Marie Antoinette diet
Yeah,
right there.
right. I
Live
just
like
like
a queen.
just not gonna blow my carbs on bread.
Yeah. Just afraid to cake.
Yeah, I feel like I don't know. I have a feeling that Tom's seeing someone besides me.
No. Talk about jumping the turnstile.
I know. I'd be okay with it if he brought it up and was like, "Hey, I want to, you know."
I gaslighting? Isn't that like, he's saying one thing and then another thing, but he's telling you this third thing?
That's not gaslighting.
What?
That's not gaslighting at all.
I don't understand.
You don't know what gaslighting
I don't
is.
know. You're right.
Gaslighting
I don't know
is-
what it is.
You've probably never even been gaslighted.
I've never been gaslighted.
You'll never be gaslighted.
I'm never gonna be gaslighted. Gaslit?
It's gaslighted, I guess. Yeah, it's kind
Huh.
of like how, like, if you have an electric cord wrapped around your neck,
Right? Okay, I'm picturing it.
try to get yourself off autoerotically,
Totally picturing it.
and like something accidentally slips and you hang yourself. In
Oh.
past tense, you've been hanged.
Yeah. So
Not
it's
hung.
gaslaying?
Marcy, just drop it, okay?
Anyway, Kevin, bored.
I mean, he's a boring man.
That's true. I sought that out.
Yeah, you sought out stability, security, safety. He's everything you want.
All the S's.
All of the S's. Surety.
Simple.
Systematic.
He really is. He's got like a checklist in bed. And he like goes to the flip.
The lights are still on.
I just thought I could change it up. I bought some
You're.
pretty
That's
things.
not. Those are not cotton.
No, they're coming off. It's not like I'm gonna get an infection, yeast infection, just from wearing them. This is very silly. I'm wearing cotton now. Are you ready? Dance for you.
You know what? We're gonna have to reschedule. The moon is waning.
Why is that on the list? Why is that an issue?
Why can't you ever beat my knee?
Let's say actual clipboard, moon, tracking moon cycles, like it has something, like we're trying to have a kid or something. Because why else would you track the moon?
Because the moon affects the waves on the earth, which have, I don't know, the key to our destiny. You know that.
I just thought it had to do with my period.
Oh, yeah. I mean, Kevin is boring, but he is smart, which is an S word.
S word. Also Slovenian.
Is he Slovenian?
He is.
I thought he was from Yugoslavia.
No, Slovenian.
Well, I mean, I'm sure Kevin, because you know that the gravitation of the moon pulls away.
Okay, I'm picturing it.
There's going to be a flood in 10 years.
I'll
And we
be
should all
ready.
be very concerned.
Yes, I'm concerned.
That's really like one of the only reasons that I'm still with Tom.
Really.
Yeah.
Even if he's with someone else.
Well, I mean, when the flood comes, she's going to be washed away.
Wow. That is forward, that is future planning. Like, you've got it all figured out.
I mean, I don't have it all figured out. But
It seems like if you know where to be, where you're not washed away, and this other woman is washed away, that you have things figured out.
I'm having
Do
Tom.
you have a clipboard?
I don't have a clipboard.
Maybe you should get one. I'm not saying I'd be attracted to you.
What?
I'm just saying, this is a friendship, it's not gonna get weird because you have a clipboard for sex.
So, I'm having Tom build us a tower that will withstand the force of a full-blown flood that will wash away the wickedness of the world. Do you want me to have him build a compartment for you?
Oh my God, would you?